Hello everyone! If you are looking for a video tutorial on how to remove your Shopify from URL, this is the right video for you. Because here I am going to show you and teach you on how to remove your Shopify from URL. You just need to follow these steps. First, we need to log in or sign in to our Shopify account. Okay, let's just skip this one. Okay, let's next and click your profile, then next. Let's just need to wait a minute or seconds for this one to reload. So now it's loading and you can see here is our or my store profile, and this is just a trial account. As you can see, there are no such transaction here because this is just new. So what you need to do is come here and click this settings option. After that, you need to find the domains. You just need to scroll down to find that one. Once you find that, you just need to click that and it will be show all the domains that your store is currently working with. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to remove the third party domains. As you can see on your screen, you can see here the steps on how to remove the third party domains. As it says here, if you no longer want a third party domain associated with your Shopify store, then you can remove it from your Shopify admin. If the third party domain is your primary domain, then you need to change your primary domain before you can remove the domain. The steps is that from your Shopify admin, go to settings, then find domains. Then after that, click the name of the domain that you want to remove. As I said earlier, all the domains will be shown when you click that domain option. After that, you need to click that domain that you want to remove or delete, and after you click that, you need to click that again to confirm and to remove it successfully. That's just going to basically remove the My Shopify from your domain. Because I am just using a free trial right now, I can't show you those things and I cannot do that. But when you are using a paid or upgraded, it's basic. You just need to click the domain and remove that one. It's really easy and really quickly. So that's all for today. I hope my video or this video helps you on what you are looking for. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you so much.